This is MIO. It is a water enhancer, and I use this to try to get more water intake in throughout my day. This has 0 calories, and it makes 24 8 fluid ounce servings. This particular flavor is lemonade, but there are so many other flavors. This particular container is 1.62 fluid ounces or 48 milliliters. On the back, there is a breakdown of what's in the enhancer. All right, so there is a flip top here that makes it easy to open. And as you can see, there is a seal. So like if you press it, it comes out. But when you're done pressing it, there is a seal that's created to help prevent leakage. I have water here so that I can show you what it looks like whenever you squeeze it into the water. You can either swirl it around or take a straw or a spoon to mix it in, or you can shake it up in your water bottle. The only thing I will note that bothers me about MIO is that if you get any on you, it stained my fingernail. I mean, you simply wash it off, but if you're nowhere where you can wash it off, you're going to have stained fingernails or fingers for a little bit. The taste is great. It's not too sweet, not too overpowering, just right.